Diponto presents its new line of school bells. For smaller and mid-sized environments such as offices, villages, commercial buildings and cafeterias, the DP150 is the perfect choice. Widely used as a fire alarm, its 110 decibel sound pressure ensures the alarm is heard in an area of up to 1,500 square feet. Its intelligent design with our impact hammer system ensures greater durability. Need more power? The DP250 was made for your case. With 114 decibels sound pressure at 1 meter, it reaches an area of up to 2,500 square feet. Ideal for factories, warehouses, large warehouses, and gymnasiums, like the DP150. It is also available in 110 and 220 volts and equipped with our highly durable impact hammer system. Compatible with siren controller and time recorders. Our devices are proven options for power and durability. Contact our team. Diponto Alert Systems.